Prime Minister Modi concluded his visit to Israel with a significant elevation in bilateral ties. The countries agreed to move their partnership beyond defense, focusing on technology, trade, and emerging industries. In Jerusalem, relations were upgraded to a special strategic partnership backed by 16 agreements and 10 new initiatives. Defense remains the core pillar of the relationship. India and Israel agreed to expand joint development, joint production, and technology transfer in military systems, building on last year's defense agreement. But the bigger shift is toward future technologies. A new critical and emerging technologies partnership will focus on AI, quantum technology, and critical minerals. The initiative will be led by the national security advisors of both countries. Joint research funding between universities will increase to $1.5 million from $1 million per university. India will also host an India-Israel Center of Excellence in Cybersecurity, alongside a new mechanism to track global technological and economic trends using AI and data analysis. Trade was the next big push. Both sides agreed to fast-track a free trade agreement with the next round scheduled for May. In 2024-25, bilateral merchandise trade stood at $3.62 billion, but numbers dipped amid regional instability. India's exports fell 52% to $2.14 billion, while imports declined to 26.2% to $1.48 billion. Despite this, India remains Israel's second largest trading partner in Asia. Both countries also reaffirmed cooperation on the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor and the I2U2 grouping with the UAE and the US. One of the most concrete outcomes was mobility. Israel will allow 50,000 additional Indian workers over the next 5 years across manufacturing, hospitality, logistics, retail, and industrial sectors. For India, this means remittances, jobs, and stronger people-to-people ties. Agricultural cooperation is expanding. India-Israel agricultural centers will increase from 43 to 100, alongside new villages of excellence and an innovation center for agriculture in India. Digitally, both sides agreed to introduce UPI in Israel and explore payment linkages to enable smoother cross-border transactions. An India-Israel financial dialogue will also begin. Both leaders reiterated a shared stand against terrorism. Modi stressed that stability in West Asia directly affects India's security interests and supported dialogue-led conflict resolution, including ongoing peace efforts in Gaza. Modi also engaged Israeli tech firms, invited investments into India, visited the Yad Vashem Memorial to pay tribute to Holocaust victims, and highlighted innovation cooperation. Now, the success of this visit will depend on key deliverables: an FTA that materializes, tech partnerships that scale, and agreements that translate into outcomes. Follow for more stories.